Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 versus iWatch Series 9, a glimpse into the future. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest in tech news. In today's video, we delve into the world of smartwatches to examine two prominent contenders in the market, the eagerly awaited Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and the long-anticipated Apple iWatch Series 9. Our focus is to assess how these devices measure up against each other. Let us now explore their features and specifications to determine which one comes out on top. Design-wise, both smartwatches showcase their respective brand identities. With its circular display and a variety of interchangeable straps, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 boasts a contemporary and elegant design that complements any fashion sense. The watch's sleek appearance enhances its appeal, allowing users to customize their look according to their individual style preferences. Meanwhile, Apple's iWatch Series 9 maintains its signature rectangular form factor, offering a minimalist design that's become synonymous with Apple products. When it comes to display quality, the Galaxy Watch 6 boasts a vibrant Super AMOLED screen providing rich colors and deep blacks, making it a joy to view even in bright sunlight. When compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, the iWatch Series 9 from Apple stands out for its incredible OLED display, especially for its vividness and clarity. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is powered by Samsung's own Tizen operating system, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. It offers robust fitness tracking capabilities, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and even an inbuilt electrocardiogram for heart health assessment. Meanwhile, the iWatch Series 9 runs on Apple's watchOS, seamlessly integrating with other Apple devices. It excels in fitness tracking as well, with advanced features like ECG, blood oxygen level monitoring, and an extensive range of health and wellness apps. It also offers convenient features like Apple Pay, Siri integration, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Therefore, when selecting smartwatches, battery life capability is an essential factor which significantly impacts the overall user experience. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 impresses with its long-lasting battery, capable of providing up to several hours of usage on a single charge. Apple's iWatch Series 9, while offering decent battery life, typically requires more frequent charging compared to its Samsung counterpart. Let's not forget about the app ecosystems. Apple's App Store provides a vast selection of apps specifically optimized for the iWatch, catering to various needs and interests. Samsung's Galaxy Store also offers a wide range of apps, although it may have a slightly smaller selection compared to Apple's ecosystem. Ultimately, choosing between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and the Apple iWatch Series 9 depends on your preferences and the ecosystem you're already invested in. Both smartwatches offer exceptional build quality, feature-packed experiences, and compatibility with their respective platforms. And there you have it, a closer look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and the highly anticipated Apple iWatch Series 9. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.